Muli, magandang hapon po sa ating lahat. Siguro babasahin ko na lang muna po yung dispositive portions ng dalawang kaso na hawak po natin ngayon. Nabasahin ko po yung dispositive portions ng dalawa. Yung una po yung kaso ng SD case numbers 2025-004 to 2025-004 to 0010 for grave misconduct, 6 counts po, and conduct unbecoming of a police officer. Mahaba po, babasahin ko lang po ng konti, pagtsagaan nyo na. Julie A. Patidongan, Charlene Ricafort Lasco, Mary Joy Medina Lopez, Ryan Bonda Bautista, Fe Aniscol Depano, Rosemary Robles Quijano, Ederlyn Malacca Bernardo, Francisca de Lumna Ramos, Mary Jane Capistrano, Maricel Esplanada Ramos, Maria Teresa Liporada Hapag, Marilyn Gonzalez Hermar, Eloisa Abillar Bohol, Armilin Alcadeza Almasar, Gerald Bequillo Legaspi, Perla Calyao Tahup, Maria Concepcion Melgar Bautista, LG Ignacio Bescante, Carmelita Basas Teposo, as represented by the Inspection, Monitoring, and Investigation Service, or the IMIS, National Police Commission, as complainants, versus Police Lieutenant Colonel Ryan J. Eliab Orapa, Police Major Mark Philip Simborio Almedilla, Police Executive Master Sergeant Aaron Ezra Lagahit Cabillan, Police Chief Master Sergeant Arturo Opalia de la Cruz Jr., Police Senior Master Sergeant Joey Natanawan Encarnacion, Police Senior Master Sergeant Mark Anthony Aguilo Manrique, Police Senior Master Sergeant Anderson Orozco Abari, Police Staff Sergeant Alfredo Oy Andes, Police Staff Sergeant Edmond Hernandez Munoz, Police Corporal Angel Joseph Ferro Martin, and Police Staff Sergeant Renan Lagrosa Fulgencio as respondents. I'll just read the dispositive portion. Wherefore, foregoing premises considered, the Commission finds respondents Lieutenant Colonel Ryan J. Eliab Orapa, Police Major Mark Philip Simborio Almedilla, Police Executive Master Sergeant Aaron Ezra Lagahit Cabillan, Police Chief Master Sergeant Arturo Opalia de la Cruz Jr., Police Senior Master Sergeant Joey Natanawan Encarnacion, Police Senior Master Sergeant Mark Anthony Aguilo Manrique, Police Senior Master Sergeant Anderson Orozco Abari, Police Staff Sergeant Alfredo Uy Andes, Police Staff Sergeant Edmond Hernandez Munoz, Police Corporal Angel Joseph Ferro Martin, and Police Staff Sergeant Renan Lagrosa Fulgencio, culpable for 6 counts of grave misconduct and 1 count of conduct unbecoming of a police officer, and are meted with a maximum penalty of dismissal from the police service in view of the gravity of their offenses and the existence of aggravating circumstances extant from the records, the accessory penalties of forfeiture of retirement benefits, cancellation of eligibility, and perpetual disqualification from holding any government positions are likewise imposed. So ordered, the whole National Police Commission. That is for the first case. Ito po yun. I will also be reading the dispositive portion of the second case, which is SD case number CO-2025-0012 for grave misconduct and conduct unbecoming of a police officer. Ella Kim T. Patidongan, as represented by the Inspection, Monitoring, and Investigation Service, or the IMIS, National Police Commission, complainant, versus Police Brigadier General Romeo J. Macapas, respondent. dispositive portion. Wherefore, foregoing premises considered, and pursuant to the summary dismissal powers of the National Police Commission, it is hereby recommended that Respondent Police Brigadier General Romeo J. Macapas be found culpable for grave misconduct and conduct unbecoming of a police officer. The Commission therefore recommends that Respondent Police Brigadier General Romeo G. Macapas be meted with the penalty of dismissal from the police service, along with the accessory penalties of cancellation of eligibility, forfeiture of retirement benefits, and disqualification for the employment in the government service. So recommended. Quezon City, Philippines. Signed, the whole National Police Commission. Meron po ba tayong mga katanungan?
Thank you, sir. So we will now open the floor for questions.
Which reminds me, joining us today is our Director of the Legal Affairs Service, Director Maylene Aguiluz Caluya.
So may we call on to start off from DZBB, Mr. Glenn Huego.
Hi, sir. Glenn. Oo. Ano ho yun? Pwedeng pakikwento lang muna, at least para may background kami, yung naging papel, lalo na po si Brigadier General Romeo Macapas from CIDG before. Ano ho yung naging papel niya, kung bakit nagrekomenda ho kayo para masibak na po siya sa serbisyo?
Sa mahabat maikli po, ang isinampa po kay General Macapas at ang amin pong nakita at amin po siyang pinatawan ng ang amin pong nire-recommend ang penalty ng dismissal ay dahil he unlawfully seized and retained the cell phones of Ella Kim and Jose Patidongan during the Cambodia rescue mission without legal basis. He altered and deleted messages from the confiscated cell phones and concealed or caused the loss of SD cards, thereby impairing the availability of crucial evidence related to the missing Sabongeros cases. Yung konteksto nito, kailangan sunduin yung mga magkapatid na patidongan dahil meron silang mga mahalagang mga impormasyon na alam at merong sila ay vital witnesses dun sa kaso ng missing Sabongeros case. At authorized si General Macapas to lead a rescue and repatriation mission in Cambodia. Pero lo and behold, pagdating dito, arrested yung dalawang Patidongan brothers at yung mga cellphone nila ay kinuha at nawala ang ilang mga importanteng ebidensya. And because of that, that is obstruction of justice under PD 1829, qualifying as grave misconduct. So, yung rescue mission as a pretext for arresting witnesses, kinompromise niya yung mga ebidensya, and that is serious abuse of authority. Yung kanyang acts seriously dishonored the police service, amounting to conduct unbecoming of a police officer. Yun po yun.
Sir, follow-up lang para sa kaalaman ng ating mga kababayan. Bakit pagdating kay Brigadier General Macapas, recommendation only? Bakit dun sa iba, Lieutenant Colonel, Major, down to Sergeant, ay outright yung dismissal, sir? Kapag
ang rango po police colonel pataas, kailangan po natin ng presidential clearance. So the NAPOLCOM released a resolution for ordering the dismissal of Lieutenant Colonel Orapa et al. And it issued a resolution recommending to the Office of the President the dismissal of Police Brigadier General Romeo J. Macapas.